Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I spotted this busy bee near my lavenders, hopping from one flower to another. Well, they are the best friend of a gardener. Thanks to them, I never had to pollinate my cucumbers, melons, or any other flower to get the fruit on a plant. And the thing is, today I really wanted to paint something. It's kind of like my hands were itching to pick up a brush and start a painting. So I thought, why not paint this lovely bee? So tag along if you would like to watch an easy step-by-step tutorial of painting a bee in watercolors. First of all, I made the outline of the bee with a pencil. I made the head, thorax and abdomen with 4 wings, and now I'm making the eyes. After I had finished making 6 legs and 2 antennae, I used lemon yellow paint to color the middle body or thorax and the yellow stripes of the bee. Then I used burnt sienna or brown color to give furry look to the thorax and on the sides of the yellow stripes to give them some depth and give a 3D effect to the body or the abdomen. I used brown color to outline only the top sides of the 4 wings and then used a wash brush to spread this color downward, giving the wings a transparent look. Next, I colored the eyes with black color, leaving some spots to show the light reflected by the eyes. I used just the tip of the brush to make antennae and colored the legs with black. Now for the part of legs that were under the wings, I used a light shade of black as if they were showing up from under the transparent wings. For the black stripes of the bee, I painted the corners of the stripes and then used only water while joining and smudging the 2 corners. That gave a 3D effect to the abdomen or body of the bee. I finished off the painting with thin veins on the wings and tiny hairs on the legs using just the tip of the brush. Just to give extra furry look to the thorax, I took just a little bit of burnt sienna on the tip of a dry brush and put some stroke on the yellow part.